Welcome to beautiful sunny Cabo San Lucas. We are here in Pacific Bay, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, with an amazing view of the Pacific Ocean. Very well decorated, kind of a downstairs. We can walk right out to the pool, so it feels like it's your own private pool. We've got a little give and a take, as you do in most of the real estate. As you can see, of course, here, we've also got the built-in barbecue. We've got the bullhead. We've got the camera system. We've got the little tiny miniature underwater helmet. Yeah, we got that. Come on, guys, let's check out the pool here. So like I mentioned before, we're here in Quivira. We're on Quivira water. That means it's a desalination plant. You can actually drink the water. I do. I also live here as well. You get access to Pueblo Bonito Sunset, Pacifica. There's a lot of amenities here that you get to use. Security. We never have any sort of issues whatsoever, as well as low HOA for a luxury community. Let's go inside and check it out. Right after the filming of this, we're gonna head over to the Wine and Whiskers Festival charity event. I like to work with a lot of the different charities here. This is one of my favorites. Again, these guys do a ton of different spading and neutering thousands of animals here in Cabo San Lucas and in the Baja. I'm gonna go meet my friend Brian over there. He does a lot of work with them as well. A very good event. If you guys do want to do any sort of charity work like that, or if you guys would like to help fly animals back to Canada, donations, anything like that, I can put you in contact with AIDA and they can definitely help you out. Okay, like I mentioned, completely repainted. I do like the red accent walls, really beautiful. We're gonna put some red throw pillows on here. You know, sometimes I got that CTE kicking in. I was punched in the head a lot. So if I do slur my words, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate the hate. I like it, actually. I love what they did here. This is an upgrade as well. Little cabinetry here, beautiful. And look at this bad boy here. We got that Don Julio, baby. Actually, I should put this away and I should get a little bit of that, if you know what I'm saying. Everything's included: refrigerator, sink, dishwasher, stove. Everything is immaculate. As we come down the hallway here, so as you guys can see, we have very wide hallways, very tall ceilings. It gives it a very elegant look. Obviously, we have some more artwork that we're gonna be putting on here. My light guy didn't show up, so I'm doing the best I can. As you can see, we got some nice art here. We got some nice art here. The floors are immaculate. And this is actually my favorite piece here. Very well done. And of course, we've got the laundry room in here with the brand new stackable washer and dryer. So this is the master bedroom. This is a brand new bed, really never been slept on. Extremely high end. I think they paid $20,000, $30,000. These guys do not go cheap on anything, which I like. I've never slept on a bed like that before. Oh my God. Okay. Good night. Holy shit, Caesar. I'm not even joking, bro. This is not for the camera. This is the most comfortable thing I've ever slept on in my life. You need to sit on this.
Are you sure Chris is not gonna get mad at you?
No, but really get on it, get over a little bit. I mean, dude, that's like 30 G's. That's insane. So of course, from the master bedroom, you have a beautiful view of the Pacific, and every single room in the house has a brand new 65-inch TV, and I believe they have a 75 in the living room. Let's walk into the master bathroom here. Of course, they put an office in here as well. Nice little office here. And if we come in here, it's quite similar to the other one. I'm kind of scared. Chris is my boy. I don't know if I want to open up his stuff. I don't know what might be in here, but let's see. Who knows? Dirty underwear, dirty socks, dirty clothes, just golf stuff. Nothing at all exciting. Boring. Honestly, expected more from you, Chris. Watch out for that, boy. Of course, we've got all the Louis Vuitton, the Gucci, all of this nice, beautiful art here from Brazil. Again, we've got the floor to ceiling cabinetry. Love the TV. Let's move on into the number 3 and the Jack and Jill bathroom. Come on this way. This is the number 3, boys. We got another TV, obviously the gaming station. And I guess you guys are wondering the prices. What are the prices of these? This condo right here, 1.25, and we are going to accept financing. That's right, financing, $700 down. We'll carry the balance, 5 years. I can make deals happen. I am the deal maker. And guess what? You can message myself or anyone on my team, Edgar, Caesar, Saul, Angelica. Here's the thing, I am late to go to a charity auction where we're gonna be helping animals. It's Saturday, we're working tomorrow, Sunday. We work every day. We put in longer hours than anybody in the game. That's why we're number 1. And please hit the like, hit the subscribe. And if you wanna view these, send us a message. Not only these properties, guys, we can show you guys any property anywhere in the Baja. Also, we have a ton of listings. If you're an agent and you want to make some good commission, some of our commissions are astronomical. Astronomical, I don't know if that's a word, but they're really high. I'm talking 5, 6, 7 points. We have some amazing deals, commercial, land, luxury, everything. That's why we are Cabo 1. I'll see you on the next video.